Hello friends, in this class we'll discuss about heat and thermodynamics. So even though this is the part of physics, so we're going to study it in chemistry also. So because these concepts are repeated in chemistry also. So let us start. Heat is a form of energy. It measures the sensation of warmness or coldness of a body or environment. So it is known as heat. So the unit of heat is calorie, kilocalorie or joule. 1 calorie is equal to 1.18 joules. So then we have this concept, it is known as temperature. Temperature is a measure of hotness or coldness of a body. So we have an instrument to measure temperature. So it is known as thermometer. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So minus 40 is the temperature at which Celsius and Fahrenheit thermometers reads the same. So then we have this one, clinical thermometer. So it reads from 96 Fahrenheit to 110 Fahrenheit. So then silver is the best conductor of heat. So cooking utensils are made out of aluminium, brass and steel because they have low specific heat and high conductivity. Means they heat quickly and transfers the heat very efficiently. Right. So then we have this one, thermal expansion. When we heat some substance, it expands. So this is known as thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is the increase in size on heating. Here we have some consequences of this thermal expansion. So telephone wires are kept loose to allow the wires for contraction in winter. The gap is provided between two iron tracks of the rail track so that rails can easily expand during summer and do not bend. So then we have this one, specific heat. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass of a substance through 1 degree Celsius, so is known as specific heat. So then we have this one, anomalous expansion of water. So when we start increasing the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, first volume of that water decreases. From 4 degree onwards the volume of water increases. This behavior where the volume of water decreases from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius is known as anomalous expansion of water. So then we have this one, latent heat. The amount of heat energy which is there inside that particular liquid is known as latent heat. Heat energy absorbed or released at a constant temperature per unit mass for the change of state is known as latent heat. So here we have one consequence. Hot water burns less severe than that of the steam burn because steam has high latent heat. So then we have this one, vaporization, slow process of conversion of liquid into vapor even below its boiling temperature, so is known as evaporation. Amount of water vapor in air is called as humidity. Relative humidity is measured by hygrometer. Relative humidity increases with increasing temperature. So then we have this one, so it is known as transmission of heat. Transfer of heat from one place to other place is known as transmission of heat. So this transmission of heat takes place in 3 processes: conduction, convection and radiation. In solids, transmission of heat takes place by conduction process. In liquids and gases, transmission of heat takes place from convection process. Right. So then this one, so the heat from sun reaches the earth by radiation method. It means that in solids it is conduction process, in liquid and gases it is convection process, in no media case, so then it is radiation. Right. So this is all about heat and thermodynamics. So remaining some more concepts we are going to discuss in our next classes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel for more updates. So thank you very much for listening.